Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel HDAMS Tech. My name is Mohammad Abubakar. Today I am going to show you how to create a schedule based firewall policy to allow or block local area network users internet access. So I will show you today. I already configured the IP address for the PCs. So you can see here I have configured the IP and you can see there is no internet access. Why? Because I did not create any policy on firewall. Let's go to the firewall and you can see here on the network I already created the ports for the interfaces, and also I already added the DNS. Also there is already available static route I already created. You can see in the previous videos to understand about this one. And we'll go to the policy objects. You can see here firewall policy. Let's create a firewall policy. Create new. You can add here LAN. You can give the name LAN internet, anything if you want. You can create the policy name as per your requirement. And also I will allow here the incoming interface will be LAN port 2. Why? Because this is my local area network and port 2 is going to the fortinet. And also outgoing source will be WAN, because this one going to the management port, ISP internet service provider, port 1. So I choose port 1. And source will be where I want to connect all the sites on the website on the Google. So I will click all. And also destination will be, I will choose all. The source will be all, means our local area network, all the PCs. And also destination will be like I can access to the Google each and every site. So source will be our PCs, destination will be on the internet any sites. And also schedules, you can see here. As of now I will allow always. And services, what are the services you want to assign, you can choose from here. But as of now I will create all. And you can see the below settings as it is. I am not changing anything as of now. Just click OK. Once I click OK, the policy is created. You can go to the topology. You can connect to the PC. The PC IP address is 10.2. So now I will try to ping to the Google. Ping 8.8.8.8. You can see there is internet access. So what we will do, we will block the internet, or we will allow for the specific time. So how we can do, I will show you. Also you can see from the PC2, I will show you PC2 ping 8.8. Enter. The internet is working very fine. Once you go to the schedules on the firewall, go to the firewall policy and schedules. Once you click schedules, there is by default there is already available some schedules. So I will click on create. There is two types, schedules and schedule group. So I will click schedules, and one time or recurring. You want to use always or you want to use only one time. So I will use recurring as of now. Allow internet, sorry, allow internet. So which days you can select, if you want to give all days or if you want to give only Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. As per that you can allow. For example, Monday to Saturday. I click this one, and also you can see the time. And before the schedule creating, you must change your, from the systems you must change the time zone, and you have to check the settings, and also region, also everything you have to check, because it is must, your time should be matched to the destination as it is. So we'll go to the firewall policy objects, schedules, create new. Okay, hello internet internet, choose this, select the days, allow internet. Okay, allow all day. If you click all day, it will work all the days. So here we will change the time. You can see there is time is 2:51 now. So what we will do, 0 to 52 p.m. we will allow for 2 minutes or 1 minute. We will try this one, 0 to 53 p.m. You can see from 2:52 p.m. to 2:53 p.m. I'm showing you start time and stop time. So start time, it is already 2:52. So wait 1 second, we will change to 53, and this one 54. So as of now the internet is blocking, because if I click OK, 53 to 54, and I will go to firewall policy and click on policy edit. You can choose the schedule. Just now I created allow internet, just click here and OK. Now you can go to the topology and check the PC ping, enter. See, there is no internet access. Why? Because the policy is created the time, like you can see here schedules, it is allowing 2:53 to 2:54, only 1 minute internet access. If you want to allow 3-4 minutes, whatever, whole day you can allow, but we are testing now. So you can see here, go to the PC and ping now from 50. Now just before we check, there is no internet access. Now I will click OK, ping. See, we allow for 1 minute internet access, so it is pinging now. Now let's go to the PC 2 and ping, enter. The PC2 means this is my PC2. You can see here it is pinging without any interruption. Just we will wait for 2:54. Why? After 2:54 it will not work, because we allow only internet access for 1 minute every day. So for example, once the time is changed, you will lose the internet access. So we will check here. See, there is 2:54 now. Let's go to check ping 8.8.8, enter. See, you can see there is no ping, enter. The internet is turned off. So now if I want to go to firewall policy, there is already allowed firewall policy. If I want to allow specific device, we can create the policy. We can choose the specific schedule for only. Now the source will be all. If you want to allow only one PC or two PC or group of PCs, you can create the groups and you can add. You can see in my previous videos how can create the groups, how can create the PCs to the source. I created everything, you can see in my previous videos. So also schedules, if I remove from here none, if I choose or always, you can click OK. Now you can go back to the PC, just ping. You can see now I remove the schedule, I just allow always. So internet is working very fine. So these are the simple steps to create a schedule based policy to allow internet access or block for the local user. I hope you understand about schedule based policy. So if you want to learn about more topics, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon for new updates. Thank you for watching.